Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the full script of any YouTube video in 2025 completely for free. And the best part? It only takes a few simple steps. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. First, open the YouTube app on your phone or computer and find the video you want to get the script for. Once you've found it, tap on the three white dots next to the video. From the menu that appears, tap on Share, and then select Copy Link to copy the video's URL to your clipboard. Next, open any browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, or whichever one you prefer. In the search bar, type Comey YouTube Transcript and press Enter. This will take you to a website that uses AI to generate scripts from YouTube videos. Once you're on the site, paste the YouTube video link into the box provided, and then tap on the Generate button. In just a few seconds, the website will process the video and provide you with the entire script, quickly and accurately, without any errors. After the script is generated, simply tap on Copy, and the full script will be saved to your clipboard. You can now use it however you like, whether for studying, content creation, or just to better understand the video. And that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't